Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how long it actually takes to get or to see success with a cash cow channel in YouTube automation. This video is sort of similar to another one I made, but this is going to be more focused on the actual cash cow channels, which is a part of YouTube automation. So if you're interested, I have a lot of other resources on this as well. Check it out in the description or in the channel, and please subscribe if you do like this video. I do this completely for free, so just take advantage of the opportunity and learn. So today what I'm going to show you though is going to be, first of all, I'm showing you the real statistics of a video I made that has made me a lot of views and subscribers. As you can see, 27,000 subscribers from this video. Usually if you get this many views, it's going to be much higher than this, but the only thing is because my channel wasn't really optimized at the time of this blowing up. And also, I've been doing quite a bit of multiple niches on the same channel, which isn't the best. And I would highly advise you not to do this, but I have done it on this channel, which is why people aren't very interested in subscribing. It's a general channel, sort of like not specific to a niche. It has become more and more niche down later, but I think it's, so. As you can see, it's currently doing pretty bad compared to what it's been doing, because we've had days with over 100k views in one day, as you can see. Or pretty much, yeah, I think so. Yeah, definitely. There is some days where we had that. But as you can see, what's been going on at the moment is it's currently not being recommended by YouTube. It's blown up for such a long time that the YouTube algorithm just isn't recommending it at this point. Although, as you can see, sometimes it goes up and sometimes it goes down, and it's still keeping a steady growth. So I'm very happy about this. As you can see, though, the majority of the views are from search, which is very beneficial because search is very consistent. Search is basically like ranking for keywords and that kind of stuff. Just like with the search engine optimization, because YouTube is sort of a search engine. That also has other features, but its main thing is the search engine. So that is where all the keywords and that kind of stuff focuses and puts you on there. Although tags and all that kind of stuff, keywords, descriptions, it's also going to be very relevant for the suggested and the browse features, which is like when YouTube recommends your videos to people, which is very powerful. And most of my videos who blew up or who actually blew up went from suggested videos and browse features, so don't sleep on that. But okay, this video blew up pretty fast actually. I do want to show you something. First day, 65 views. I think pretty much anybody can get 65 views on a first day. Like, I didn't have that many subs at this time on this channel, and they were quite inactive and in a different niche, which is why they basically got no views. And as you can see in the first week, or like to be honest, first 2 months, pretty much no, or first month, no views, pretty much. Like 300 views in a month, okay? And this video is at 7.2 or more than 7.2 million at the moment. Just think about that. 1 year later, or 1.5, I think, yeah. So, as you can see though, we are going from 65, and then it's going a little bit faster here. I think this is when it starts to go faster. You can see, it went like 300 in a month, and then it's just in another like 5 days or something, it's doubled, or it's at 1,000, a little bit faster. You can see this curve is starting to go up now, and now 20 days later we're at 10k, I think, yeah, something around that. And then 10 days after that we're at almost at 35k, and then here is where it all starts to go up. And this video goes viral now, as you can see. It's going from like 100k views, 60 like that k views, up to like 1 million in like a week. And it's actually crazy to see this. Or yeah, I think it's a little bit less, but from like 100 to there, it goes really fast. And then we have another spike here, and then it's been keeping a pretty steady growth. As you can see, it's going really slow at the moment, but that's completely expected because it's a very popular video. A lot of people have already seen it, and it's not too weird for a video to slow down sometimes. And this video is probably will probably go viral again later and get even more views. So what I do want to show you with this video is just that don't be discouraged if a video doesn't get any views in the beginning. Like this video literally had no views and now it's at 7 million. So I'm going to show you another example as well, but this is just a quite something cool for most of you, I think, especially since this is not YouTube Shorts. This is not YouTube Shorts, this is a long 20-minute video. So yeah. This is another video that I want to show you that actually just blew up like a couple of weeks ago. And as you can see, it was doing really bad. Like, I think after like almost, yeah, as you can see, like 3 months, like 1K views. And most folks would actually be really discouraged at this point because, you know, it's just going down and down and down. And for this one, search is only 14% at the moment, and this one is doing pretty bad as well. It was doing really well here, and then it slowed down, and it's probably going to go up again later. This is pretty much how YouTube works. It just goes up and down. So as you can see though, this took a very long time for me. It's almost at a year soon. Like in 50 days it's going to be at a year. And for most of the parts it wasn't gaining any views, and here it started to gain a little bit more, but not at the point where you can actually call this a successful video. Because like if you're making, you know, 5K views in a month, that's not too good. Although I would say if you have 100 videos doing that, then you're obviously doing much better. But just think about that for a second. So now this video is at 762,000 views, and the only thing that's actually changed is, well, technically nothing. I've just posted it and let it rest for a while, and YouTube is just growing. This is the thing that's so different with YouTube compared to like Instagram and that kind of stuff. Your videos are like an asset, an income generating asset that's gonna grow over time. Give it some time, even if like I think this video 79 views in the first day, and I mean most people would probably say, okay, there's no way this video is gonna go viral. It's a shit video, but it's not. It just wasn't discovered by the right people, which means that the YouTube algorithm, since the right audience never saw it, it never went viral. So yeah, this is pretty much all I had to say for this video. Just that don't be discouraged if your cash cow channels and your videos don't work at first, or your YouTube automation channels, pretty much the same thing. It is going to take some time, but it's all going to be worth it in the end, because these videos will go viral, and it's just incredible feeling. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say for this video. If you're interested in learning more, make sure you check out the link in the description. I'm going to link my YouTube automations secrets, which is a free framework that I've been developing. There's a lot of more information about that down below, so make sure you check it out. And also make sure you subscribe and leave a like. It's completely free, and you will see all of my future videos about how to make money online and new opportunities and YouTube automation. So if you're interested, make sure you do that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.